Hi, I'm Lisa Tifara Bimanobo, and I'm here to teach you how to insert a table in a WPS Office document. So first, you have to have WPS Office. So just click the icon and click the positive sign or plus sign in the bottom, and you will have to choose which options you want to have. Of course, we should have new document, and then click blank. Okay, in order to insert the table, you have to go to tools, then choose insert. In here, just scroll and then choose table. In here, you can choose the number of rows and the number of columns you have. So let's choose 5 and let's make it even. So, and you also have an option to choose the table style to use. Okay. If you want that, then just click OK. There. To insert a text in the table, just click the cell and type. Number, year, month, there. And if you want to merge cells, just highlight the cell and choose merge. And you will see that it merged. If you want to delete, just choose delete here. Or if you want to split, you can also do it. Choose and click OK. So that's it, people. I hope you learned something from me.